Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Modern Southern Belle. My name is Marissa and today I'm doing a small dining room refresh. I have a new vintage table going into this space, so stick around till the end so you can see how it turns out. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here is the table I'm going to be replacing. I've had this table since 2005 when I went off to college. It was given to me and I was able to use it while I was at school for a few years. And then when Philip and I got married, we used this table in our other house and I recovered the seats with this fabric right here. The other fabric was just a plain beige fabric, but I wanted something with some pattern and color, but not too bold. It's not a large area. Here, I'll back up. So the back door to the left, the dining room, and then the garage door. So I think when I get the new table in here, it's definitely gonna look smaller. It's a different shape, but it's so pretty. So while my husband is out of the house, I'm gonna go ahead and move this table and the chairs. I'm going to sweep the floors, and there are some touch-up spots that I need to fix. This is dirty. Dog hair galore. And she's the culprit. Yes, I'm talking about you, sweet thing. But yes, I definitely need to clean up the floors. I think I'm gonna change the direction of her kennel, so that's a little bit more against the window. But yeah, so let's get started.
We got time, but no money. But there ain't nobody stopping us. We got bills, but no dollars. But now we don't really give up. No, we don't really give up. Living for the ray of light. Life can be beautiful. Life can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.
I made it over here to the windowsill, but there's still quite a bit of dog hair. So I'm gonna grab the vacuum and vacuum that up.
Making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like there's no tomorrow. Acting like this. Acting like this.
This is the area underneath the bar where the bar stools are. And as you can see, these need to be cleaned and touched up as well. So I'm gonna get started on that.
Give you the world if it was up to me. It's not too late to be heard, so tell me what I need to know. Tell me what I need to know, and stop this charade.
So these floors are really dirty. I don't know what exactly has caused the black marks on the floor. Could be from our shoes, dirt, chairs. But I'm gonna use the steam mop and get all this cleaned up.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated. Sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Right into space. I'm not the kind of person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart. It feels like I am losing my grip, going crazy, 'cause this doesn't make any sense. You're broken down all my defenses. No way back to the old me. When I'm stuck here on planet X, I'll become the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next.
All right, so I'm just finishing up steam mopping the floor, and as you could probably see, I had to use my foot to add a little extra pressure to get some of those tougher scuff marks up, but the floor did come clean. Now we're about to bring in the new vintage table, and we have our cute little helper with us. And if you can make it out, she's telling her daddy how heavy that table is.
You send me right out into space.
All right, here is a final look at the space. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I had that other table for 16 years, but it was time to pass it on, and thankfully we had some family members that we could give it to, and I know that they'll get some good use out of it. So I got this new vintage table from a local vintage market, and they're only open one weekend a month. And thankfully the day that they opened is a Thursday, and Philip happened to be off, so he volunteered to wake up early and get there first thing in the morning to make sure that we got this table. And I'm so glad that he did, because I just love it so much. The details are beautiful and I couldn't be any happier with it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you have yet to subscribe. That way you can see future videos. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.